Okay? So I'm the host for today's video. so we receive a call. We receive a call regarding a motor vehicular accident, a drum truck versus a motorcycle. So a report said there's a one casualty below or under the truck. Probably unconscious, we don't know about the situation. So upon call of the OPSEN, the responder um, activated or respond immediately. Okay? The scenario? Take the survey the scenes.
Okay. Safety officer, first, survey the scene.
Series.
Butang sa ligid. Dapat, wag na ng mga ligid. Then, turn off ang vehicle. Kung kuhaan. Tapos kung wala kuhaan, tapos na pili niyo pili niyo in neutral. So first gear or ang kuhaan, handbrake. Okay? After that, check ang wheel. Then, report to the leader. The scene says there's only one casualty under that truck.
Okay. Yes. Assume spine mobilization. Assist.
Ano yung hand, Mr. Randy?
Ready to remove the helmet? Assume suspect mobilization. 33 collar.
Pilit lang sir, kaya unya ko lagi.
Securing the patient. Ready to insert C-spine?
Ready.
Spine board?
Ready.
Okay. Turn the patient to his right. Ready. Go. Insert spine board. Ready to put the patient. Go. Adjust the patient to the center. Ready. Move. Securing spine board. Is the spine board secured? Ready to pull. Get, that's it. Ready to pull the patient? Ready. Put first. Ready? Move. Pull. 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 Secure the patient.
Ay, kanan na ba sila mabuli-gili yung sarap? As much as possible mga sa investors. Mas madali nyo. Madali pa mo ito.
Okay, ready to move the patient on one side. Already position. Already position. Ready to leave?
Ready.
Ready to leave?
Ready.
Leave. Ready to move. Head and face. Assume weight. Ready to move? In a break first. Go.
Ready.
Okay, ready to stop? Ready? Ready? Body adjust. Assume weight. Power grip position. Power lift. Ready to put the patient down?
Ready.
Go.